Double-click CAM icon and open CAM software. Click New Order in the upper left corner, then create a new order. Choose machine type and material type. Import dental data that needs to be nested. Select Restoration type and click Next. Select the appropriate height of the blank according to the model height prompted by the software. Edit the order name and scale follow the material. Check margin lines. Implant has 3 margin lines: red, yellow, green. Open A-axis, B-axis button. Then we can rotate the bridge. Adjust insertion of the coping, need to less than 20 degrees. If you don't need the extra pins, just click it and press Delete key on keyboard to delete. Click the left mouse button where you need to add the pin. Choose Strategy and Generate. This is the NC file.